Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily do a compass calibration on your Garmin inReach Mini 2. So first, what you guys need to do is go to settings by clicking OK, then the arrow up, and then OK once again. Here, click the arrow up to get right to the bottom faster. Now click OK to go into system, and here you have the compass cal with the dot, and it's a compass calibration. And what you guys need to do is rotate the device in a figure 8 motion, just like that. And as you guys can see, the calibration is successful. Now click OK, and that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.